Hey guys, it's Vanessa with Farmgirl Gardens and Market, and we had some of our farmhand volunteers out here this morning supporting our nonprofit farm project, Farmgirl Gives, and I wanted to share what we were doing because I think it's just a great quick tip to help you in supporting your orchard or trees. So everyone knows in Texas in the summer, this, crabgrass is growing like crazy and it's overtaking our trees. And so if you need to put in some tree rings, that can be an expensive undersuit if you have to buy everything. Now, if you do have a little bit of money to throw at a project and it saves you time, then it's worth it. And there's nothing better, in my opinion, than the no-dig edging that you can pick up at Walmart or Lowe's or even Amazon. It's about $20 for about 40 or so feet. And sure, it's a great way to save money from the commercially packaged tree rings. But you know what's free? And free is always better when you're growing, right? These old hoses that you might have because for whatever reason they've sprung a leak, or maybe even the couplings have become twisted and unuseful. And if you don't have a supply of hoses, I tell you what, ask your neighbors on Facebook or on Nextdoor, especially in this area where we often have a lot of agricultural initiatives or just hobby farmers. You better believe on trash day you have someone who's putting a broken hose out. So go and find those resources. Not only does that keep them out of the landfill, and as a master composter, yeah, I'm going to encourage you to dumpster dive when it's safe. But it also helps you be able to add in some value to your property without having to spend any money. And that's so important because growing food should be accessible for everyone, regardless of how much land you have. And so I hope that that shows how this has been useful to us in creating these tree rings at a more affordable price. Also, these trees were gifted to us by the Rob Greenfield Gardens and Live Like Alley grant. And so once they are fruiting and mature, we are going to collectively send the call out to our community to come out here and harvest from them. They are on the street portion of our pasture, so it's accessible for all. And I just can't wait until we get these trees to that point. So until next time, y'all, I hope you're well, and I hope that this helped save you or encouraged you in some way. Until next time, bye.